Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and we are going to be doing some taste tests today. So we did pick up these Doritos, maybe hot, maybe not, roulette nacho chips. I do not like hot, so we'll see how it goes. And then those were from like Walmart or say Fry's or something. But then we did get these from the Dollar Tree. This is by a Boylan Bottling Company. This one is the Shirley Temple cane sugar, and they are all 100. No, I was going to say 180 ounces. Where's the ounces? 12 ounces, and this one is 180 calories with 43 grams of sugar. And this one is black cherry, and it has 180 calories also, 44 grams of sugar. You want to talk about any of it? The only reason he's helping is because he wants to drink the soda, and he's just here. So here's our root beer. And this one is 170 calories with 43 grams of sugar. And this one is just a cream soda. And this is 160 calories with 40 grams of sugar. Two more. I think Chopper wants out. This is the Teddy's Old Fashioned Style Blue Raspberry. This one is 26 fluid ounces. And this is only 290 calories for this bottle. And it has 72 grams of sugar. And the last one is Strawberries and Cream. And this has also 290 calories with 72 grams of sugar. So the first thing we're going to do, let's pick which soda we want to start with so that we can have something to drink. You want to start with this one? Okay. So we're going to start with the cream. And don't worry, guys. I got the lid. So we're just going to pour a little bit into each. And then we're not going to try it yet. We're going to get a chip first. We got to try a chip before every drink. So I have something to drink when I get the hot one. Okay. So now time for our chips. I wonder, so I don't think we should be able to smell them because I bet you can smell the hot ones. Don't you think?
Yes, I do think.
1 second. I have a peppermint in. I just forgot about that. So we are not going to be able to rely on me for the first couple of things. Anyways, so I think that we should all just reach in without looking, grab one, and put it in our mouths real quick. Okay? Okay.
Deal.
No.
Oh. I was trying to make a deal.
Okay. Are we ready? And of course I just ate like half a bag of barbecue chips, so I'm not even hungry. You could have told me we were going to do this. All right, everyone, let's put our hands in. I feel like somebody's going to cheat, so I have to make sure we do it all at the same time. No, you can't. See, you already pulled it out. You don't know. Okay, ready, set, go. Regular Dorito. What's yours? Just a regular Dorito?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's try this.
Weak.
Tastes like a cream soda. It's good though. I definitely need to put less in my glass next time if I'm going to drink this much soda. So the next... Oh, wait, you picked the next one. Oh, you picked that one. So I'll pick the next one. Shirley Temple.
All the flavors going to start mixing?
No? Anyone else want to take a try at this? No, we're not. You're not getting another chip yet. Because you will look before.
Don't put so much.
Keep it all.
Here, because you do your own. Anyone else getting a little bit of a spice yet?
Nope.
Okay, so this one is the one I'm most excited about. It's the Shirley Temple. And that cream was the one you were most excited about, huh? And then you're going to have to pick the next one. So start thinking. All right, let's grab a chip and go. I think, wait, something's in the way. That one and this one. Okay, ready? These are big chips. I mean, I think I felt a little bit of spice, but my tongue is tingling a little bit.
Is that one spicy?
You got spicy one?
Yeah.
Like, it's spicy for you?
No.
Okay. Am I going to be unhappy?
It'll be spicy for you.
Great.
I think mine's spicy too.
I think mine was spicy because my tongue is burning a little.
My tongue's not burning, but it tastes different when you know what you're choosing.
Well, it's
It
not
gets
spicy.
spicier as you go, though.
Is it really spicy?
That's not bad, but
That one didn't go down like I thought it was going to. Not at all. Mm-mm. So do you want to try which one do you want to try out of these ones we have left? No, you can't drink the other soda to wash out that one.
Black cherry.
He's drinking the cream soda over there. So far, it's the cream soda. No, stop drinking it. We still have more to drink and eat.
Black cherry will be the better one.
You think so? I really thought that the
You better pray you don't get a spicy one.
great.
It's not that spicy.
This is not gonna go well.
She's not gonna be able to handle it.
Don't say that, because I'm in the middle. Like, how am I gonna get out
Yeah.
You're
instead of
screwed.
causing a scene in front of the
I
camera?
got a
Yeah,
baby.
no, you're screwed.
I need a baby one. Can I just break mine in half?
No.
Now I'm terrified. I think I got lucky again. I feel like we're playing.
Nothing.
I wasn't big enough.
You can't just. I feel like we're playing. What is that game we play at Christmas time? Something is really spicing up my tongue here, people.
Well, I mean, the regular ones are touching the spicy ones.
I might have gotten a spicy one, or they're touching the spicy ones too much.
Black cherry's pretty good.
I'm still thinking the cream is the best. Your turn to pick, Nug. Stop drinking all the soda. Would you please let him out real quick before he goes through the window?
Oh boy.
Oh, see how thick that was though? I tried to fizz. So, if I haven't already gotten a spicy one, and it's just touching the spicy ones, I'm going to be miserable when I get a spicy one because
I can't wait.
my mouth is... I think I might have. There's no way that I'm this much of a baby. Like, there's no way. I do not like blue raspberry, so I'm not putting a lot of this in my glass.
There is a way that it is this much of a baby.
I cannot. Like, that's not... I'm not putting very much in there. Because if I get a spicy one, I'm going to want some... Give me the rest of yours, please.
A little bit of a wussy.
No, something is very spicy, though. If it's just from touching, it's going to be an issue. Like, I'm not going to be able to handle this.
Why is it so good?
Because I don't know how much you guys want. Do you want more in there? So are you sure? Maybe... I think I got a spicy one because my mouth is on fire. Here, yeah.
You would know. It's definitely like a distinct difference between that and a spicy one.
I mean, they taste like regular Doritos, but my mouth is literally on fire. And so I'm saying it again. Either I got a hot one, which I'm praying is what has happened, because if this is just from touching, I'm going to die. Like, my mouth is literally on fire right now. So, if you don't like spicy, don't get these at all. Because if it's from touching, I'm going to die.
It's not that bad.
No, it's horrible. What'd you think of the blue raspberry?
Good.
No, there's a root beer too left. It's my turn to pick, but I'm going to pick this anyways. Strawberries and cream.
I already chose that one.
Blue raspberry isn't too bad.
It's not. You know what I was saying? Like, how good, like, okay, so this is strawberries and cream. How good this would be over, like, a chocolate float? A chocolate root beer? A chocolate?
Move it along there, sister.
What?
Something is really spicy in my mouth. I know I had to have gotten a chip. I know I got a hot one. That's not just from touching. I know I keep saying that, but this is hot AF.
Don't be a little wussy.
No. Mm-mm. But look, like this over like a chocolate float, strawberries and cream, or a banana, wouldn't that be good?
No.
Yeah, it would.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Like a root beer float, but a strawberries and cream chocolate float?
Yes, I know what you're talking about.
I think I got a hot one. I had to have. My nose is running. My mouth is falling apart over here. Like, I have heartburn. I feel like my lining of my stomach is being eaten.
Here we go.
I feel like I'm going to start crying.
Yep, no. I think I got another regular one.
I got a spicy one at some point, and it's never left my mouth. No, don't pour anything into mine. Oh, that has a very fake flavor, doesn't it?
I don't like that one.
It's not what I thought. Like the ones that, no, stop trying to pour in mine. Yeah, that one was not good, guys.
Ugh.
There's strawberries and cream. That's my least favorite so far.
Yeah.
And honestly, sadly, I have to say that the Shirley Temple is my second least favorite. But I gotta say that someone better put something in my glass. And this kid is loving the regular cream soda, which is really good. Like, I'm not kidding. I can feel my stomach like on fire.
It's not.
No, you don't understand.
It's not that.
Like my nose is running. I'm putting more root beer in here because I need something. Here, no, put whatever, or just drink out of the bottle, whatever. No, I definitely got a hot one at some point. I can't taste the flavor, like, of the difference, I guess, but I can taste the fire. I'm so afraid.
Please be hot. Please be hot.
Something is hot, obviously. My whole mouth is already on fire so bad.
That one was a regular one.
My hands are literally shaking. Like,
They don't put enough hot ones in there. I don't. We're on like what, our 6th trip?
okay, but my whole mouth is on. That
Okay.
one was a hot one.
Yes.
Only because, or I'm still suffering from whatever one I ate previously because now my throat, like I can feel the pepper in my throat. My hands are literally shaking. Like, even if we didn't, oh, okay, so let me show you. I think they tricked us because
The root beer's not.
it's not bad.
It's,
It's not bad. You can see
Maybe.
the red on these. No,
yeah,
see
maybe
if
it was colder.
see if you see any without red. Or are they lying? Every dang one of these is hot, I think. Because there's red on this.
I can assure you everyone is not hot.
Okay. Then the first one I had was hot. Because that one has red. I'm going to touch every chip in this bag. Hold on.
Please don't.
Only one more. No, there's red on every one of these.
Well, you should have let me eat it.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I just didn't want those in my mouth. Did you look to see if it had red first?
Not the,
How do you know that was the exact one I threw back in?
I looked at it.
Because I licked it. Okay. Let me just tell you. I think the whole bag is hot. Or I got a hot one to begin with. And I'm not even licking my fingers.
That one you just gave me wasn't hot.
Okay, that's a lie.
So the red's,
No.
I promise you.
Okay, but my nose is okay. So I just want to point out
I mean, some more of the blue.
this one.
Yeah.
So do
Please.
not in any way, shape, or form
Thank you.
think that there's any non-hot in there. Because they're all hot to me.
Got a little mix with root beer. Let's see how it tastes.
So recapping. Don't get the Roulette Doritos because every single one is hot and will linger in your mouth. It is.
She's lying.
This one was the least favorite, I think, of all of ours, right?
Yeah.
Yes, this one, I thought it was going to be so good. This is a no.
It's definitely a fake taste.
Yeah, way fake taste. I think this was the second least favorite, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Which the lady told me that this was everyone's favorite. And I love Shirley Temple. No, thank you. What was your favorite one?
Probably the blue raspberry.
And okay, so Robert's favorite was the cream. Larry's was the blue raspberry.
The black cherry was the close second.
Let me try the black cherry again. Hold on. The root beer was probably like
It would be better if
closer.
it was colder.
Yeah.
This one was.
Wasn't
Oh
cold
no.
enough.
You like?
This was third.
I didn't like the black cherry. I just realized I didn't like it.
Crazy.
So honestly, I think this one has to be my favorite. The cream was good. It was the one that was good, unless the fact this was probably what happened. This is the first one I drank, and after that, all my taste buds got burned out of my mouth and down my throat. Okay. So, all right, guys. So that is our review, and I hope that you guys are having a great day, and we'll talk to you later.